Welcome to STEMSUNQ, where learning meets creativity. We are passionate about making education fun and engaging for kids. At STEMSUNQ, we design innovative STEM kits that inspire young minds to explore, build, and discover. Let's dive into our exciting collection. First up, we have the Mandala Art DIY Designing Kit. Perfect for young artists, this kit combines creativity with learning. Kids can explore the beauty of geometry while designing intricate mandalas. It's more than just art, it's a journey into the world of patterns and symmetry. Next, we introduce the Electronic Paper Circuit DIY Kit. Ideal for budding inventors, this kit teaches the basics of electronics in a hands-on way. Watch as your child creates glowing circuits on paper, sparking both imagination and understanding of how electricity works. Ready for takeoff? Our Airplane Electric DIY STEM kit lets kids build and fly their very own electric airplane. It's a fun and engaging way to learn about aerodynamics and the principles of flight. Perfect for those who dream of soaring through the skies. Meet the Autoplotter Drawing DIY STEM Toy. This kit is a blend of art and engineering, allowing kids to create automated drawings. It's a fantastic way to explore the mechanics of motion and the beauty of automated design. Creativity meets technology. Set sail with our wooden floating boat STEM toy DIY. Young explorers can build their boats and learn about buoyancy and water dynamics. It's not just a toy, it's a hands-on lesson in the science of floating, perfect for curious minds. Improve your child's learning with the DIY Wooden Electric Elevator Lift STEM toy. Kids can construct a working elevator while discovering the mechanics of lifting and electric circuits. It's a unique way to learn about physics and engineering, one lift at a time. Finally, we have the Wooden Air Floating Ball STEM Kit. Watch as your child builds a floating ball game, learning about air pressure and physics in the process. It's a playful way to dive into the wonders of science, keeping both fun and learning in perfect balance. At STEMSUNQ, we believe in empowering young minds through hands-on learning. Ready to spark curiosity and creativity in your child? Explore our full range of STEM kits today and let the adventure begin. Visit us at STEMSUNQ.com and join the journey of discovery.